What's going on, everybody? Today we have this Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity rear swing arm stand for your motorcycle. It's from Harbor Freight and it cost me $32.99. I wasn't able to get a coupon for the day for some reason, but you know what? $32 for a rear motorcycle stand is good enough for me, right? So this is how it's gonna come. Here are the little pegs that go on your swing arm, in your motorcycle swing arm. And yeah, this is what it looks like when it comes from Harbor Freight. And in about a second here, we'll be assembling it. All right, once you get all that stuff out of your Harbor Freight motorcycle stand, you will find that you have these two pegs. And the way to install them, all you have to do is pull this one back. And you'll notice that there are two slots for it. Don't forget to loosen your little locking knobs. And you put that in there. I'm not sure what the distance of my swing arms are yet, so I'm not gonna tighten that up yet. I will get them snug though. There are little imperfections on the metal. That's why there's these things that stop it from going in. But if you ever happen to encounter those, you just push it through and it'll go in. Okay, so moment of truth here. We're gonna find out if the Harbor Freight is capable of handling my 2020 Yamaha MT-03. At this step, you want to make sure that your swing arms are lined up with the pegs. Kind of make sure that the locking knobs are pretty snug in there. And for me, it looks like lined up. Have it in this position and then just slowly lift it up. I'll go a little bit forward. Now that I've gone forward, I see over here that I am not 100% lined up. So what we want to do is just give it a little force. Try to hang on to your bike as well. And make sure. Alright, hold on. Make sure that you are going to be landing on those pegs. Your swing arms are going to land on those pegs. A little help if there was two people. And just like that, there she goes. Well, alright guys, there you go. That's the Harbor Freight 1,000 capacity Hallmaster rear motorcycle swing arm stand. And I can't get over how much of a mouthful that was, you know, but it is what it is. To me, it seems like it's a really great quality. Now I can do some work on our motorcycle, like do the oil change or do some chain maintenance on the bike. I'm pretty happy with the purchase. It's less than 40 bucks. How can you make a mistake? One thing about it though, make sure that you are checking those locking knobs at the end. Make sure that they're pretty tight, just in case, so that they won't go anywhere. Yeah, I highly recommend this product. Link should be in the description below. And I believe Harbor Freight only does in-store purchase. I don't think you're able to buy this online. You have to go to the store itself. All right guys, I'll see you later. Don't forget, this is my first video, by the way. If you guys could just hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing. You don't have to, but it would be super cool if you did. Appreciate it guys. Keep on riding out there. Be free, be you, ride on.